And yep, you guessed it, I still win all of it. 50,000, 20,000, 100,000. Okay guys, this is Messiah. He's going to show you how to do the dolphin. Go. And that is how you do the dolphin. Delicious guys, I love this so much. I just got a Cinderella mocktail. Guys, my food came out, I almost forgot to vlog it. Is that delicious, Mum?
I thought Indonesia was in India.
You are Indian. Do my hair.
Guys, how you guys going? It's your boy Dino, and I like to say some words. You make have a mustache.
Oh, did you watch that?
Yeah.
Ooh, and mustache, mustache, mustache.
Morning guys, it is day 1 here in Bali. Oh my gosh, this weather is not kind to me. I just woke up and it's only, no, I woke up at like 5:15, which is actually 8:15 in Australia, and it's already getting really hot. I'm here with my boys. Tell them your name.
It's your boy Messiah.
And
It's your boy Dino.
we're just waiting for the others to wake up. The villa people are making breakfast for us at the moment. And yep, you guessed it, I still with all it.
Aussie boy. Whip for Aussie.
Morning.
Morning.
Hello. Oh, it's so beautiful here, guys, honestly.
I
Tell
get to
them.
watch a special iPad on the plane.
Oh, and then?
And then I got on a bus. After the bus, I went on the plane. Then I went to another airport. I had to travel here for 6 minutes. And then
It wasn't 6 minutes, darling. And then, tell us, continue.
I got here. Then my mum and dad told me to go to sleep. It was too late.
It was too late.
Rice, but sometimes if you have to look at the food sometimes, because I think once I saw they were selling like rats and stuff, like Bali. If you want to go street markets for food and stuff, I recommend going, but just be careful. Some people are like really desperate of selling their stuff, so they'll just bother you for like 20 minutes. We bought a fan and they wanted us to buy it more. They were selling cheaper, and like they were doing cheaper and cheaper just for us. And then we told them to go away, and then Dad yelled at him.
Hi, So. Morning, how are you?
Morning. Good, thank you. Look, my breakfast
wow.
already.
This one's a little bit spicy, apparently. This one's not too spicy. Oh, I'm looking forward to that fruit. Ooh.
Dragon fruit.
Yep. I'm gonna sit here. So I'm gonna eat now, guys. What's this called?
This is like meagering Asian food.
Oh, I want chopsticks.
Sian
I'm Asian. Oh, yeah, baby.
Tamate le etino matu la ngona pe mata matu tu fiala mai le yasu. Ai faftai lo wono fa mono wanga de le. Ma fuai on matu mana baina de ole ola.
Yes,
Ma
Lord.
fo ila de inga ya te oi.
Yes, Lord.
Si de fiala u fio matu finga malo longa manisio fa na. Matu mananga mai.
I just finished plaiting my hair and it is super hot. Just doing that was a bit of a struggle. I'm sweating so much. But we're going to the markets to get some soap, I guess. Some soap, shampoo. I just assumed that they'd have it here, but they don't. And I guess when we come back, we can go for a swim right now.
Yep.
My parents are over there listening to worship music. And oh, I got the worst cramps. Oh, the Gucci from yesterday.
Yeah, but they're fake.
Yeah, so
I want to be Gucci.
I'm gonna try and buy a fan, but I don't want the ladies to follow me.
They probably got.
I hope I'm losing weight in this sweat, you know, not just sweating for a sweaty bum. You have to do it again. I wasn't ready. Okay, guys, this is Messiah. He's gonna show you how to do the dolphin. So what do you have to do, Zaya?
Go, Zaya. Ready? 3, 2, 1,
go. He's just jerking his head back. Whoa, that was so cool. And that is how you do the dolphin.
and Messiah's way.
And what, do you have a better way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you first, you dive in.
Yeah, your tummies are the only thing that's going to be doing the dolphin. Hurry up and do Mum's picture. Stand up.
Mom, you're in the sun. It's too black.
No, come here. This one's a good one. No, do... Mum, he's taking a photo of himself. Don't zoom in. Just leave it out. You suck it. Give me the phone. Mum, kaya yolo wakai put. Here, Mum. Yeah. Oh, look at the rice paddies. Look, that's a ulu tree. Oh no, that's a frangipani tree. Oh yeah, I see the taro leaves. Do you guys see it? It's like right there.
Remember when you had gastro? 2 years ago, Christmas. You're like, oh, darn, I'm so sick, and I had gastro. And I was like, oh, I got gastro right here.
You're such a liar. Oh, you're talking about when I did the fart prank?
No, you had gastro, and I was.
Shush! Guys, I am sweating so much. I know I've been saying that, but like it is just non-stop sweat. I just cannot stop sweating. Woo! I hope I'm losing some weight because you know the keto beer's just not been happening lately. Hi, Mr. Sosa.
Yeah?
Oh, no.
Can you do it faster? Put some oomph in it. Your titties are jiggling. Look, I got 50,000, 20,000.
Million.
Not million. 100,000. Mum, you got the millions. 100,000.
Maybe.
I'm rich. I'm rich, guys.
Maybe 10 cents.
This is actually $5 if it's equivalent. It's around about $5 Australian. $2 and $10. Their mangoes are like Samoan mangoes.
Different.
No, their mangoes are like Samoan mangoes. That's the mangoes that are at Aussie's house. That's a ka'amu. They eat the stem, the leaves. We just eat what's in the root. We're here in UBUD town centre now. We just got dropped off. $70,000 to be dropped off here. Now we're going to exchange some money. This is a temple. Oh my gosh, I will wait. Oh wow, it looks like Samoa truck. Some of these people look Samoan to me. Oh, there's an ATM over there. Right over there, I see an ATM. Some of these prescription based stuff that we need a prescription for in Australia, they just sell it over the counter. This is what you call a mini mart. Oh, that's 33,000. Oh no, $3.30. Oh, they have alcohol in like a mini mart. Oh, you actually bought a backpack. Ooh, Pocky. 12,000. It's $1.20. Hello Panda. Do you want one now?
Hello Panda.
Yeah, I can get you a Hello Panda.
No, I'm not allowed.
I'm gonna get a choc banana.
Okay.
Mum, where are you going?
Okay, we have that one. Yeah. You do us a good deal. We buy a few things, okay? Yeah.
What's this one?
Mango durian. Durian. That's what you want, isn't it?
Yeah, but it doesn't look ready.
Ready, eat this one.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I want this.
Persimmons.
Yes. These are, what are they called? I forgot what they called. I did them ASMR. How is that $20? Because that's 5, 2, 2, 9. How much is the dragon fruit?
How much is the dragon fruit? How much this one?
Okay,
one more mango, 200. Yeah, okay.
For Molly and...
Oh no, I'm not looking for Molly and Sia, I'm looking for me. Oh, Eddie loves Spider-Man. I should get him there.
So creative.
I bought a few things for Aussie. Got some mango things. Look at these toy things. Eddie and Evan, look. Buzz, Hulk Smash, and Donald Trump. Who's that? Spider-Man. So we finished the pool. Everyone had a nap. Now they're having another swim. And I've just been sitting in the room editing. I did not sleep. I'm on the phone to Georgie boy. You want to say something, Georgie?
You guys, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. And keep comment down and say Team Aussie because it's not going. Feel like wanna go for a holiday.
Yep, next time for you, okay? It's really sweaty, so mind the looks.
Where's your free? Hi guys.
Hi, Victoria.
Oh, cool. I don't eat seafood, but all right. Whose big butt was sitting here? It's actually just sweat, guys. My hair be everywhere. My hair looks everywhere. I look like a homeless, but don't worry. Don't worry about that. It's so gross. Apparently we're going out for dinner to a seafood place. But if you know me, then you know I don't eat seafood. But I'm sure that they've got other foods there. They look so hot and sweaty. So, how do you feel on this holiday?
Good.
Very relaxing? You feel bougie? Feel very bougie, so? And how do you feel, Papa? Olha só vai com.
Yeah. That's nice.
Nice country?
Yeah.
Kusama what?
Sali am sa.
No.
Ma sang ni đều đang ngồi bên đây để phá phạt dem mà để. Basi ni mo ye gitu. Wa ye ma sang ya u ga ju ga yo. Ai bên đây mo i wo me ka fa o ya ai wo fa peo. Thì yo mo ye. Nên mà ngay là mai ka wo fio. Wo fio me là ka sia la ka la e mo wa lo. Lo se fu wa fe. Ore se senga nga ngai da ka vai a fa ka mo de me. Ore me kasi de pese vai ai almost fu wafe. Mai ka la kasi su wafe. O winga e mo ka la pe a fu ya. Se senga nga fa ka la ko mo milion ga wafe mo milion ga fa ka oida. Ore makai ai la ku ore nduro la ba. Vale ala sha.
Yeah, so these are the rice paddies I showed you earlier. Rice paddies. I've never actually seen how the rice is harvested. And I also just want to give a massive shout out to my brother and his wife for making this holiday possible for my parents. As you guys did hear, Dad said that he's not very familiar with these kinds of holidays, these kinds of events. In his life, he never really took holidays. I think I've mentioned before that my parents worked so hard for us to have the future that we have. We're so grateful for them, the way that they came out. If you hear some of the stories that my dad talks about, what he went through so that, oh my God, I'm gonna cry, so that I could have the life that I have, my siblings could have our life. So grateful to have my parents, and that's why I posted on my personal Facebook, Mum and Dad finally reaping the seeds of their hard work through their kids or their blessings. So guys, my advice is to look after your parents while they're still alive. Love them. There's no point to, you know, cry about it and regret. Do it now while they're still alive, while they can still appreciate it and still give you those blessings. So we are going to dinner now, and I'll take you guys with us. Oh my God, I'm so oily. I think I need to jump in the shower again. I'm super hot just trying to get ready. After that, just like any kind of movement here, you just sweat beads. And we got Mummy here. She's looking all nice. Hi, Sasha. Yep, you guessed it. Still missing us. My face is so red. Just got a phone to him. He's just sleeping at the moment. We are just walking the streets of Bali now. The place that we were meant to go to was actually 20 minutes away, so we're looking for a place to eat at now. Very, very busy. I think they got their ceremony stuff going on at the moment. So everyone's around and about. No one's beeping. These are their mini marts. Oh, it's a busy, busy road. Mum, oh Dad, for me, get up. Get up, get a wall. It's a good place? Oh, Migarang.
Looks good.
This is their mini mart. Let's go have a look at what's in the mini mart. Get in front.
Nice and cool in here.
It is nice and cool in here, isn't it? Can you see my Pocky? Thanks.
What's that?
Pocky.
Huh?
Best pocky.
What is it?
Chocolate banana. They're delicious, guys. I love this so much. We've finally settled for a restaurant now. The menu looks really nice from outside, so I will show you guys what we order. But they've got a beautiful band singing out here. It's a beautiful place. It does look very family friendly. The design is very nice. We're at the back over there, and I'm just wanting to come and film these people singing. Ooh, I want one of those. Wow, that's nice. Beautiful. As soon as I started recording, he was like going, ha, I was like, yeah, mikayama, oi. I think they do this once a month. I heard once a month or something.
Yeah, all come with free soup and free dessert if you get one of these.
Hi guys, it's a bit noisy here because there's audition right there. So I'd like to say a few words. My back apparently has been getting heat rash, and I'd like to praise to God that He might make it better. And yeah, it's been such a fun time going to Bali. Tell us what you're eating.
Hey Zaya, can I move you and Minnie down so I can sit with Daddy? Because we're sharing our dinner.
Woo! Oh, sorry. You like Bali?
We're at the Bali right now.
Okay.
Hey Dan, what'd you get? Hello? Okay, too busy on the phone.
No, it's a cocktail.
Cocktail. It's a cocktail.
It's just in a big cup with a little thing.
Look how cool that is.
Still sweating the balls. I just got a Cinderella mocktail. It tastes very pineapple-y, and this is very sour. This is not like the Samoan ones we have. Guys, my food came out. I almost forgot to vlog it. I got the nasi goreng. Daniel, well, what's left of it, got the mee goreng. And Mum and Dad got this big seafood platter. Got some fish, prawns, crab. Is that delicious, Mum? What does it taste like? Fish. I also got this chicken dish. It's like chicken breast with ham in it, with fries and some cheese sauce and a salad. We just finished our dinner now. We're walking through only vegan and vegetarian, the Roti Dal. It's a vegan vegetarian restaurant.
Let's vlog this exercise.
Oh my gosh, we're walking back and forth, up and down and around. I said to Mum, I'm malos, calling malos. I'll give you aircon, it's swaying your way right now.
Oh gosh. You coupled, didn't you?
Coupled.
So, I want to interview you, Victoria. Victoria, how was your Bali trip so far?
It's been lots of sweats. Sweats bum, sweats underflaps, sweats. So we're gonna call it a night now. We finally got home after walking here and there trying to find a taxi that would bring us back up here. But we're home now. I'm about to go have a quick shower and then get ready to get into bed and sleep. Aussie's already asleep because it's about 12:30 AM back in Australia.
Mommy said you have to sleep in your own bed.
Yeah, you have to sleep in your bed too.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No, Mommy said you sleep in your own bed.
And then you sleep in your own bed.
Hey, stop saying the same thing. You sleep in your bed.
And then you go sleep in your bed.
No.
Want me to go to sleep?
Yeah.
No, you sleep in your bed.
And then you go sleep in your bed.
But it's saying the same thing.
What? What's wrong? What do you want?
He wants to sleep in Auntie Vicky's bed.
No, you sleep in your bed.
And then you sleep in your...